I friggin' love this old car. This is my 87 Firebird, and I'm gonna change the oil on it, drive it up on some ramps, change the oil. Look how dirty the thing is. There's like, I don't even know what these are. I think they're from willow trees. She's freaking dirty, let me tell ya. Oh my goodness, are you dirty too? How you doing, Big Buster? Oh yeah. See the smile. Oh, that's the smile right there. My intake is quite a bit taller than a factory style carbureted intake. It's like a high rise, and I got a paper thin gasket between that and my Edelbrock carburetor, and I got a drop base breather and no wing nut, because the tall intake can't close your hood if you have a regular, like a carb spacer or a regular carb gasket or a regular breather. You can't close the factory hood. So I had to use a paper thin gasket on my Edelbrock carburetor and a drop base breather to get everything down, and no wing nut. I don't have room for a wing nut because my breather is like the same height as the fenders because of that intake. So yeah, I don't have a wing nut. So when I want to get in here, I usually use something like this, since I don't have a wing nut. Oh my goodness, little brick. Maybe I should pull her head a little more, apparently. I think after I pull the plug to drain the oil, I might let it drain for a bit and turn down the fuel pressure. I think this had it running at 7 psi last year. So I'll probably turn it down to 6 psi, maybe even 5, or maybe between 5 and 6. So yeah. I'm not really sure. I took this carburetor apart last year and it was working really good. But this year the oil, or I checked the oil, and the oil seems to be contaminated a little bit, so I just want to make sure that the carburetor's not flooding or it's not too much pressure for the carb or something. Just in case. I think 8 psi is the max for the Edelbrock, and I'm pretty sure I was running at 7 last year. I got my fuel pump turned off right now, so I can't really read it, but I'm going to turn it down anyway. She's a little little bit dirty, but this is the Holly return style fuel regulator. X's nose big time today. I took the plug wires off here one by one individually while it was running, and I found this plug back here was not firing at all when I took the wire off. Made no difference. So I'm going to take that spark plug out and check it. The spark plug wire looks fine. Changed the oil. Made a little bit of a mess, but it's okay. Well, looks like an old plug. It looks like a double platinum tip. Double platinum. But there's a lot of carbon on it. It's not really wet, but there's quite a bit of carbon on it. I'm going to change it just in case it's a fouled plug because everything else looks okay. So I'm going to change that and hope that takes the lump out of her. I went and got a Delco, AC Delco R45 LTS6. Brand new, that's what GM uses. So yeah, I like that kind. Terrible. Put that in and hopefully that'll make things better. Got some new stickers too. Little Brock. Little Brock. Ollie. Ollie. Alright, put the new spark plug in. And hopefully that'll make her better. A moment of truth here. Reach in the window. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. That's better. Well, she sounds a lot better and feels a lot better. She's not lumpy no more. That's it for this one. She's so dirty, but